Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. I'm starting off with T actually today. Let's see how many title plans are on. 40. So sent off a 5-minute auto pairing. Dubya. Let's try E4 and an open Sicilian instead of the Smith Morrow for a change. I don't really want to draw. We just started. Why is it offering me a draw? Okay. Strange. Oh, it's 1 minute. It's been up to 6:20. That's not a very good indication. I think I should accept the draw now. It's 3 minutes. Been up to 2-1-3-3. I'm just a bit concerned by his stats. 2-2-1-9 for 5 minute. Okay, he's only been to 2-2-1-9 on the 5-minute control. So maybe he was just a bit. I don't know, it doesn't seem that busy, so let's play. I'm going to do this. I think I'm getting a reasonable position here. So looking at his queen, if I can prevent knight d5, if I'm going to play c5, that might be interesting. It seems like a nice position already. Because of this c5, that bishop's hemmed in right now. Alright, so knight e4. Try and grab his darts, got bishop. Create some weaknesses. Okay. c5 and knight d6. If I play c5 and knight d6, has he got knight takes c5? No, I think that'd be good. I think there's also bishop c4 check. This looks like a very interesting position now for bishop c4 and knight d6. It looks like a fantastic diagonal. I sometimes wonder how I get these positions. It looks like gorgeous. Bishop c4, knight d6.
Check.
Looks absolutely gorgeous. So rook d6 as well. Lateral pressure there being built up. Rook here, rook d7 later. f4, maybe that's good for peeling open things. E takes. Knight takes. There's bishop takes. Oh, okay. Some more weaknesses potentially to play for or on. Let's let him do that. Maybe h4 later.
Check.
Okay, so knight takes f6 is not working, right? He's going to win my queen after. Queen b5, queen e2, queen d3. Maybe I don't want to leave the knight hanging. Queen d3. f5, there's knight takes g5. Right, let him take on d6 or not. If I take here, I guess he's got a point. I'm going to try and weaken his position here. d8 is pretty solid. f3, is that any good? Gives my bishop some more scope. I don't know if he's going to play f5. What about taking? He takes here. There's that. Then knight d6. Actually, it does seem to be a bit of a concern. Yeah, taking a knight d6 if f5. f5 take and then knight d6. Has he got knight c5? Knight c5? Not yet. Oh, there's also queen g6 here. So this seems okay. If I've got queen g6, if I take first. Right, so queen g6, queen g7. Let's bishop f2. Let's get rid of this knight for a moment. Right, reinforce this guy. It seems again a really nice position, but let's not get too carried away just yet. Maybe maybe queen d5 is a pin and also b7 pressure. That's pretty concrete. Although there's a pin, it's not actually, I'm not actually threatening anything. If there wasn't a pin like here, now there isn't a pin, then maybe. But he seems to have a bit of play to deal with. Ah, dear. Let's just do g3 for a moment. I think I can do g3, maybe king g2 and rook h1 as an option. I'm just wondering about this knight c5. There's bishop c5 at the moment, but I want to, give myself
check
some extra options. So give myself this extra option of rook h1. Right, so
check.
Here there's rook h1 on the cards. He's got king f8. Right, so keep the pressure here for a moment. I mean, it's looking again like a really good position. Can I just block in his bishop? Or not? It's not worth it. Alright, there's bishop c5 now. So maybe rook c7, take. I'm queening there. I think rook c7 is threatened. That's pretty tricky because of his king position. That rook c7 seems hard to deal with. Okay, so I don't really want to take there just yet. Rook d1. Am I going anywhere here? d7? If I play d7, right, stopping that. Right, and bring this pawn up. I'm not going to lose that pawn, am I? Maybe queen d5, maybe simplifying.
Check.
Yeah. Whoa. That's a bit dangerous. Okay, f3 is protected right now. Oh, I can take on a5. No, hang on. Take here, takes here, and it's getting a bit scary. I think I need the queens off. But then his king could come round, and his queen's going there. So rook d2, queen e4, maybe queen, getting the queens off, and then no, I'm not sure now. So he's got this check point, I guess. He checks, yeah? And then goes back to e6. Is that really what he's going to do? Yeah. So that's unfortunate. I don't really want to draw just because of that. Maybe I just do this. And then rook g2. Or here. Right, so king g2. I think I'm making some progress. This pawn could be useful on any queen d5.
Check.
Maybe here. He's going to round that up. Can I improve my king? Oh, I'll just drop d6. Oh no. Unless that's really useful for me. Oh no. There's queen b7.
Check. Check.
What about rook b7? Just trying to go for his king here. I don't want to allow a perpetual check particularly. I think that's dangerous. Right, so queen f5. Anything else? Queen b1.
Check. Check.
Yeah.
Check.
Right, it's good on the clock. I think some pre-moves coming up.
Check.
Right, can I bring my king in? Over here.
Check. 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 Time worn. Check. Check.
Can I win this pawn? Oh, it's a bit long-winded. Oh, he's a bit down on the clock.
Check. 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 Check.
Yep. Okay. That was a tough game and a half. Wow, that was mega tough. Yeah. I'm not looking at the evaluations. I thought I was better. Okay, here. Yeah, I mean, it looks as though White's... Hang on a sec. After that move, 94, this looks great. If his queen... I mean, if he doesn't play f6... That is great. That d6 square here. I don't know what's happened to him. It just looked like a fantastic position.
Check.
It's heavy work though. He kept tactically. It seems very solid.
Check.
And
check.
Yeah, look at this evaluation. It's not bad. But this pawn, I don't know. Did I miss out on an opportunity? I mean, what's this with Queen A5? This is not a move I'd really... I suppose it takes this Bishop C5. Oh, there's check.
Check.
All right.
Check.
Yeah. Oh, it's all coming together.
Check. Check. Check.
There's a false mate here.
Interesting.
Queen A5. Yeah, okay. That pawn, yeah, I mean, the way I'm playing it is not...
Check. Check.
Accurate, it seems, at all. I'll just check this. There's King F2, especially not here. That's okay for as well. I was planning Rook G2.
Check.
So that A pawn, I thought the A pawn was a good like asset.
Check.
Okay, after losing the pawn eventually, great.
Check.
Check. But the A pawn here.
Check. Check.
So I get this position and start walking my king. Is the evaluation going up? My king gets closer.
Check. Check. Check.
Yeah, here the evaluation is getting a bit higher. I'm winning that pawn +3. Yeah, a bit dramatic for the A pawn walks. A bit of a tense struggle there. Hope you enjoyed it. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.